In life or in academics or in corporate world, you'll encounter people who look at a universal truth, something as clear as 5 plus 5 equals 10, and insist with absolute certainty that the answer is 11. Your greatest mistake is not that they're wrong. Your greatest mistake is spending your premium royal energy trying to convince them that the answer is 10. We've been taught that the communication is the bridge between human minds. But what happens when you encounter a mind that doesn't want a bridge? What happens when you face a rigid, arrogant ecosystem where reality is entirely subjective and the ego cannot afford the psychological collapse of being wrong? Welcome back to Living with High Vibes. Today we aren't talking about how to fix the people around you. We're talking about the ultimate eye-opener, the 5 plus 5 equals 11 reality, and why your absolute sound depends on your willingness to let them keep their broken man. When someone refuses to see reality, they're operating under specific psychological states. A dogmatic person insists that their beliefs are 100% true without any flexibility, regardless of the evidence you present. So their mind is like a brick wall. No logic, no facts, and no amount of truth can penetrate or enter their thinking. Often these people do not care about the math, they care about the reaction. They insist that the 5 plus 5 equals 11 simply to arouse frustration, fear, or sense of doubt within you. Controlling your emotional state is the ultimate payoff. They want to see if they can make you bend. To a fragile, rigid ego, admitting a mistake is like total threat. Therefore, if they need 5 plus 5 to equal 11 to maintain their superiority, their mind will literally alter logic, rewrite history, and bend reality to make it true. If you bring them evidence, they'll not see it. If you bring them honesty, they'll turn it to a weapon. They will throw mud across the clean ground, create chaos, and then they stand amidst the wreckage they made to declare themselves the winner. When someone insists on false maths, the old matrix tells you to argue, to justify yourself, or to become devastated by their lack of understanding. In the beginning, you try to correct them. You show them the facts, you bring logic, evidence, and basic human decency to the table because you think it's a simple misunderstanding. And for years, you may have thought, if I just explain it better, if I am clearer, if I show more warmth, they'll understand. But in truth, you are playing a game you don't understand. So hear me clearly, they understand, they simply do not care. The noise is intentional, it's designed to drain your frequency until you're too exhausted to realize that the room you're standing in is entirely too small for your soul. But the sovereign mind does something entirely different. It implements the ultimate boundary, strategic silence. If someone wants to live in a universe where 5 plus 5 equals 11, let them. You do not need their validation or agreement to know that your math is correct. Your work, your expertise, and your reality are completely independent of their dogmatic illusions. Arguing with an impenetrable mind is an expensive waste of your cognitive energy that should be funding your life. So the next time someone tries to drag you into an illogical argument to drain your energy, do not get angry. So how do you step out of the trap? You undergo an internal alchemy. You take the very pain meant to collapse you and you use it as the fuel for your complete transformation. You stop participating in the illusion. The next time someone in your environment tries to force an 11 into your life, you don't argue, you don't explain, you don't try to fix a calculator that was designed to be broken. Instead, you deploy the highest form of strategic boundaries. You look at the noise, you smile your calmest smile, and you mentally walk away. You let them keep their 11. When you stop trying to correct the broken math of others, something miraculous happens. The energy you used to waste on them returns to you. It flows back into your hands, into your creative genius, and into the future you're building for the ones you love. You outgrow the room, you outlearn the noise, you become the executive producer of your own life. If you are a professional or a deep seeker who is thoroughly exhausted by the superficial loud noise of modern life and you are ready to reclaim your emotional sovereignty, you belong here. Subscribe and step into the deep ocean with us. My name is Siresha and this is your sanctuary. Stay grounded, keep your frequency higher, and remember 10 is for you. Let them have the 11.